Okay, so to chat with Q Sciences, you're going to need your ambassador number. So let me go back home. This is your toolbar over here. Your documents and media is going to be there, your business resources, your orders right here, and we're going to go click on that in just a second. So you want to click up here at your profile picture, click My Profile, and it's going to come up your ID number. I don't know why that's showing up. Okay, and then you're going to put in your name, and your ambassador number goes here, and it usually asks for your email. I don't know why it's not asking for my email right now, but you will need your email right here. And then you type in your message here. Any attachments you can put there, but I haven't done that yet. So if you want to message them about a refund or message them about anything, you're going to need your order number. So see if I can get to it over here. Okay, it's kind of there in the way. So orders. So if you want your auto ship managed, this is your auto ship number. So then you can put your message in here. You know, I want to get a refund on this auto ship that went through. And if you want to put hemp oil on this auto ship, always give them the auto ship number and the specifics about the products that you want to put on it. So you just message them, write your message in here, and then click send. See, it's not clicking send because I don't have all my information. So that's how you know you don't have all your information in there. I'm going to see what it does here. See, ambassador ID is mandatory. Right here, 356188. And then scroll down, and it usually asks email. I don't know why it's not asking that. And then type in your message, and then you click send. See, I think it's offline right now, even though it says it is online, or my computer's messed up. But anyway, when you click send, it's going to show up another box over here, and you just keep checking that box to make sure you don't have a message. And then you can type your message again and hit enter when they message you back. And that's how you can get things changed. Your hemp oil can go on your auto ship, or manage your auto ship, or your any orders. Any questions you have, that's the quickest way to get answers.